All right, so today we're going to break down the absolutely incredible momentum behind DSK. We're going to look at what's really driving this super fast growth and what their roadmap tells us about where things are headed. Let's get right into it.
So Milan from DSK's leadership said, "Good things happen faster than expected." And honestly, that quote just perfectly sets the stage for everything we're about to discuss. I mean, the progress they've made it's been incredible. It's blown past even what the biggest optimists were predicting.
But here's the thing. This is just the beginning. So what's really next? Well, in this explainer, we're going to look beyond all the headlines and really dig into the core strategy and the tech that's shaping what DSK is going to look like tomorrow.
Okay, so our first section is success faster than thought. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to unpack how and why everything is moving at this lightning-fast pace.
Now, this is absolutely crucial to understand. This wasn't some lucky break. Not at all. According to Milan, the leadership team actually saw this coming. They anticipated this kind of momentum. Believe it or not, this was part of the plan all along.
So, if this was all part of the plan, what was that plan built on? What's the secret sauce? Well, that brings us right to the core philosophy that's powering this entire project. It's a unique belief system, and they call it One.
And Milan is super clear on this point. He says, one is unique. There is nothing else like it in the world. This is what we are focused on. See, it's not just some feature or a small part of the project. It's the central pillar. It's the one thing that the entire community and the management team are completely rallied around.
So, okay, what really gives One its power? It's the community. But listen, this isn't just about having a lot of people signed up. No way. The source material makes it really clear that this is a tangible, responsible community that actually has real purchasing power. They're not just passive users. They are active, committed people who are really driving this whole ecosystem forward.
And all of that active participation leads to this really cool concept they call gravity. Think of it like this. When everyone in the community, every single element, is working with real dedication, they create this combined force, a kind of gravity, that literally pulls success forward and makes it happen faster for everyone involved. It's a powerful idea.
Okay, so we've talked about the philosophy, this idea of one and gravity. But where can we actually see it in action, like right now? Well, that brings us to the ecosystem and some real concrete proof of the momentum we're talking about. And it's all being fueled by a huge leap forward in their technology.
And here it is, the big one. The DSK Global Payment Gateway is now fully integrated and live. And guys, this is a total game changer. It means users can now make payments directly with their cards right inside the DSK shopping center. No more hoops to jump through.
And just look at this comparison to see what a huge deal this is. Before, you had this big tangled mess of geographic barriers and identity checks. Now, it's easy access for users all over the world. All those complex, frustrating payment processes have been replaced by a new, totally seamless shopping experience. It just gets rid of all that friction.
And in practice, it's literally this simple. Step 1, you go to the DSK shopping center. Step 2, you choose what you want. And step 3, you pay directly with your card. That's it. It's that easy. And that kind of simplicity, well, that's what's going to drive people to actually use the platform.
And this new gateway is expected to have this massive ripple effect, right? By making payments so much easier, it's going to bring in a ton of new users, fast. More users means more people are actually using the platform for real-world stuff, which then drives up the value of the entire ecosystem. It's a perfect cycle.
All right, so that's the impact we're seeing today. But all this momentum isn't just for now. It's fueling a really ambitious vision for the future. And they have their sights set on 2026 as a major milestone year. So here's the roadmap they've laid out. This year, 2024, the Global Payment Gateway goes live. Done. Next year, 2025, is all about making the ecosystem even more seamless and user-friendly. Then, 2026 is the big one. That's when they're planning on building on all that progress by integrating T, which is their new trading platform, and rolling out Phase 3 of the digital services platform. You can see it's a super clear step-by-step plan.
But through all of this high-tech growth, one thing isn't changing: their core mission. DSK is grounding every bit of this expansion in 4 key promises. First, creating opportunities with accessible education. Second, making borderless business a reality. Third, promoting natural science-backed cosmetics. And finally, fostering communities that are built on transparency. These are the values that are guiding every single step on that roadmap.
You know, the real takeaway here is this idea of relentless forward motion. Every single step on that roadmap, even something as huge as the new payment system, isn't the final destination. It's more like a doorway. Each achievement just opens up another door, expanding the opportunities for every single person in the community.
And this really flips the whole thing on its head, doesn't it? With this kind of momentum and such a clear plan, the question isn't when will success get here anymore. I mean, it's already here. The real question they're posing is to the community. It's, are you ready to share in this success? Now that is a powerful question to leave you with.